very, very special occasion, and as we welcome Hublot's very first friend of the brand in Malaysia. So can we give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? It is quite a historic moment, this is. My name is Reem, and I'm thrilled to be your MC for today. And before we start today, I just want to quickly ask you guys, everyone here is aware of the brand Hublot, right? I mean, you guys have heard it, have seen it. Yeah, okay, I didn't think anyone wouldn't know anyway. When you think of Hublot, what are the first few things that come to mind? Definitely luxury, am I right? Luxury, classic, innovative, as well as unique. Most of all, your timepieces are very unique, and these are the traits that any person who wears the Hublot brand, the timepieces, these are the traits that they carry with them.
Of the brand. And to further uphold Hublot's devotion in collaborating with the industry leaders to create unique, limited timepieces edition. Hublot takes tradition into the future with its motto, the art of fusion, where watchmaking history meets cutting-edge technology and design. The art of fusion is the heart of the brand's DNA and guides the action, innovations, developments, and partnership, blending the past and the future, the tradition and the innovation. Art and science come together as unique. Unexpected materials are expertly crafted, combined in order to create unparalleled, unique timepieces. The brand ambassadors and friends all share these convictions. Members of a family united by a common DNA. Being always first, different, and unique. For the past year, Hublot has been pursuing its quest for a continuous innovation through partnership with industry leaders including Ferrari, NBA superstar Kobe Bryant, the fastest man in the world, Usain Bolt, fashion model Bar Raffaelli, and footballing legend Pelé. The irresistible charm of combining industry leaders.
To me, equals moment in life. So if you waste time, you're wasting your life. They say you only live once. So I always live for a moment and try to live my life with no regrets. Try to stay away from negativity and live my life to the fullest. One of my big bang moments was when I performed in Jakarta. We had 35,000 people in the crowd. And the world I live in is all about collaborations. It's all about great minds coming together. Hublot's collaborations with artists, football clubs, I think for me is something that really inspires me, because in life, you can get inspired by so many things, like music brings people together, culture. I think the art of fusion is something really inspiring, and I hope to keep innovating and creating just like Hublot does.
Alright, the secret is out. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Hublot's very first friend of the brand in Malaysia, our legendary rapper, Joe Flizzow. And Mr. K, can we please invite you up on stage for a photo opportunity? Members of the media. Alright. With us today. Do you want to say a few words first to all our guests today?
Well, first and foremost, I would like to thank everybody for being here today. You could have been anywhere in KL, but you're here with us today, so thank you very much. It's really an honor for me to be announced as a friend of the brand, being the first Malaysian. I'm coming from the hip-hop scene, this is it's a big thing for me and for hip-hop, so, I really appreciate the gesture and this event today.
All right, Joe, maybe you can tell us a bit about how this partnership started. How did Hublot approach you to be a friend of the brand?
Well, it all started in October last year when I performed for the Art of Fusion event. There were many guests from all over the world, many distinguished VIPs that were down. They included His Royal Highness Tuku Temanggung Johor was here, Ricardo Guadalupe, the CEO of Hublot, and we had fun that night, and it all started from there. So when they invited me to be friend of the brand, it was a big thing for me, and obviously I jumped at the opportunity.
And what do you like most about the brand and its values and what it personifies?
I mean, first and foremost, I think Hublot is a unique brand that represents a symbol of a constantly evolving tradition. Being first, being unique, being different, that's something that I resonate with, you know, as a producer, as a rapper. The brands, you know, how the brand strives for excellence is something also that I can relate to, you know, in my everyday life. So.
Telling us which model that is?
This is Spirit of Big Bang. You know, this is one of my favorite lines from Hublot. You know, it's just the shape, and you know, the sapphire finish is just next level. You know, it's just a good piece to have on your wrist. You know, it's a confidence booster. You know, when you're in town or you're just with friends, and you know, suddenly somebody looks at your watch and like, hey.
There's something about guys and watches, isn't it?
It's got that balling factor.
Yeah, definitely. It really suits you.
Thank you.
Now, Mr. Tay just now mentioned that, you know, there are a few ambassadors of Hublot, some very famous people in the world, including, of course, American footballer Eli Manning and the current world #1 tennis player Simona Halep from Romania. So, and now we have Joe Flizzow from Malaysia. So, what is your role as a brand ambassador?
Well, first and foremost, I mean, I'm here to share with the world, you know, the brand's philosophy, you know, how very soon there are a lot of up-and-coming events. Like you mentioned earlier, you know, it's just great for me to be joining the ranks of people like Usain Bolt, you know, people like Jay-Z, you know, that have worked with the brand. Before this, like a lot of sports personalities, you know, musicians. I'm just happy to be here.
Yeah, speaking of sports, I know you love football, I love football. Huge Liverpool fan, aren't you?
Yeah.
Just have to put that out there. As well as, you know, Hublot being the official watch for the 2018 FIFA World Cup.
Right.
Can we find out which team do you support? Which country do you support?
For the next World Cup?
For this World Cup this year, yeah.
It's a tough one, but I think I'm going to be rooting for Brazil.
Ooh,
I
okay.
think, you know, like after the disastrous outing, the last one,
Yeah.
you know, I think they're going to come back really strong.
Mm-hmm.
I think they have an extremely talented lineup.
Yeah.
You know, the attack force is just, you know, too good. You know, Neymar, Coutinho, Firmino. I think for the first time in a long time, they've got a very good defensive midfielder in the core. Casemiro. Yeah, it's just a very talented team with a lot of flair, you know. So I think that's something that's also that, you know, we can relate to with Hublot and myself. You know, we like to have some flair in our life, you know, some style, you know, some panache. Prior to this, Brazil has been playing very defensive, but I think this year they're going to be a bit more attacking.
Have you always been a Brazil fan, though?
Not really, you know. I grew up in London, so I was an England fan for a long time. I used to was.
Yeah. It's been a while. Joe Flizzow and Hublot. Next week. Now the hashtag for today is hashtag Hublot Malaysia, hashtag the hourglass,
okay.
and hashtag Hublot Kuala Lumpur.
Okay, right.
Don't forget to add us on your social media postings. We look forward to seeing all
Joe, tengok bawah sikit, Joe. 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 Sini, Joe. Okay. Joe. Tangan tu dekat tu. Satu tu.
That's true.